The best ways to eat chia seeds. Now we know the nutritional benefits of chia seeds. Here are delicious ways to make them. Number 1. Add to smoothies. Give your smoothie a protein boost by adding a tablespoon of chia seeds to the mix. To make your smoothies last longer, also try adding natural yogurt, nut butter, or plant protein powder. Number 2. Homemade burgers and meatballs. If you use eggs or breadcrumbs to bind and thicken meatballs and burgers, you could consider trying chia seeds instead. Try using 2 tablespoons of chia seeds per pound of meat in your usual meatball recipe. Number 3. Add to your salad. Chia seeds can be added to your salad to give it some texture and a healthy boost. The seeds can be added to any salad. Simply mix them in with your salad leaves and add your favorite salad vegetables. Number 4. Baked-in cookies. If you love cookies, then chia seeds can give your cookie recipe a nutritional boost. Try this oatmeal and chia cookies or this simple chocolate chia cookies. Number 5. Add to yogurt. For a quick filling snack, add a tablespoon of chia seeds to your favorite natural yogurt. For flavor, sprinkle cinnamon on top or add some berries. Have you ever tried any of these remedies described in this video? Share your experience in the comment section below. If you like our video, give this a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so you'll never miss any of our upcoming informative videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.